Now the centrifugal governor is the whole piece of apparatus that we're looking at now. At the middle, or in the middle, we've actually got the spindle, and on the lower section we have a sleeve or sliding sleeve. On the outside, the two round objects you're looking at, these are weights, referred to as flyballs. It's a very old design, but very simple. The Victorians really did know what they were doing concerning mechanical engineering, and personally I find it quite a wonderful piece of machinery. The reason it has that name is because it was used for control applications, and it would control, for example, the speed of an engine. If we speed it up even further, we can see the arms now are really quite far away from the main stem or the spindle. So as we increase in speed, the weights or the flyballs are going to get thrown further and further away from the central stem. And as they do this, they are going to put up this sliding sleeve, which is this section here. So that's something we call throttling. And if we go again, it is now pretty much fully open. And we can see the governor, you can see the arms have come down again. So let's see if they come down further. No, it's as slow as we go. So what's happening is an engine, for example, will be rotating at a certain speed, let's say 100 RPM. And it's going to rotate the horizontal shaft at 100 RPM, assuming that the horizontal shaft is geared directly. So we've got 100 RPM on the horizontal shaft, and we're going to transfer 100 RPM through the bevel gear here and to the centrifugal governor.